Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're drawing the isometric drawing giving the third angle projection of a hexagonal base prism. At CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're drawing the hexagonal base prism that we drew in the previous video. In third angle projection, we'll be drawing that hexagonal base prism in isometric projection. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw our isometric drawing to start off the drawing. So we're gonna turn on snap, right? And the hexagon would have to draw the hexagon before. So all right, so we're gonna draw a line. Gonna turn on snap. So the length of this line will be 20. Enter. Enter. We're gonna draw another line. We're gonna turn off ortho. The length of this line will be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 60 degrees. Enter. We're gonna draw this side. The length will be 20 and the angle will be 120. Enter. We're gonna come across. Gonna turn on ortho. This length of this line be 20. Enter. Gonna turn off ortho. Coming down, the length of this line would be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 240. Enter. Gonna come down, the length of this line would be 20 and the angle would be 300 degrees. Enter. Enter. All right, what we're gonna do, we're going to draw a rectangle around it, all right, around the hexagon. So we're gonna turn off snap and we're gonna draw a construction line from here, there. Enter, enter. Draw a construction line from there to there. Enter. We need to turn on ortho. Gonna draw a construction line from there to there. Enter. I'm gonna draw a line from here to there. Enter. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Enter. We're gonna draw a line from here coming down vertically. Enter. Gonna draw a line from here coming across. Enter. Gonna draw another line from here coming across. Enter. Draw a line to intersect here. Good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw this rectangle in isometric projection. So we're gonna measure this. We can trim off those lines so that it looks neat. All right, so we're gonna go trim. I'm gonna trim this, trim this, trim that, trim that, trim, trim, trim. Enter. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure. So we're gonna go linear, click there, click there. That is 34.64. Now we're gonna type D for dim style. I'm gonna go modify, and on the primary unit, it's gonna change the comma to period, and we're gonna change the precision to 0 decimal place. Gonna press OK. Gonna close. Alright, so there that is 35 millimeters. Okay. Alright, we're gonna measure this measurement right here. So we're gonna measure from here to the center, that's 20. Enter. We're going to measure from here to there, that's 10. Enter. We're going to measure from there to there. Enter. All right, that's 40. Good. What we're going to do, we're going to use this measurement now to set out the isometric drawing. All right. So the first thing we're going to draw a isometric rectangle, and we're going to go line. All right, so we're going to draw this rectangle. We're going to select a point right here. So the length of this side would be 40 millimeters and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. All right, so we're going to draw this side now. So the length would be what? 35 millimeters, and the angle would be 150 degrees. Enter. So we're going to come down, and the length of this line would be 40 millimeters, and the angle would be 210, right? And then coming back here now, the length of this line would be 35 millimeters, and the angle would be 330 degrees. Enter. All right. What this represents is the base of the prism, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to move it down. All right, so I have to go to the move command. I'm going to select these 4 lines. We're going to press enter. I'm going to choose here. I'm going to carry it down like this. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the hexagon in this rectangle. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to draw a line 10 millimeters here. So we're going to go line here. The length of this line will be 10 millimeters, and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. All right. We're gonna do the same thing on we're gonna do the same thing up the other end, right? So we're gonna go line from, gonna turn off snap. So from this point coming down, the length of this line would be 10, and the angle coming down would be 210. Enter. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line going over to the other side. So the length of the line would be 35 millimeters, and the angle would be 150. Enter. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw an isometric projection given the third angle projection drawing. The object that we were drawing in today's video is the hexagonal base prism. In the next video, which is part 2, we'll be completing the isometric drawing that we started in part 1. We look forward to seeing you in part 2, and at CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.